Alright, welcome aboard. Hopefully we're getting good audio. We're gonna try. We're at flight level 450. About an hour out, so I'm gonna edit this later, but I thought I'd get the camera going so I could just kinda do a Ronco peel, set it, forget it.
Thank you. That is 15.
Slight tailwind, about 13 knot tailwind. Not a lot of help.
3357, United 1593.
Jazz 430, turn right heading 160, descend 3000.
Right heading 160, descend to 3000, Jazz 430.
Air Canada 605, descend 4000.
Descend 4000, Air Canada 605.
300 Juliet Whiskey, descend 5000.
5000, Sierra Juliet Whiskey.
Jazz 931, maintain 170 knots or greater until Kyrix. Contact tower now 1835.
Alright, 170 to Kyrix, greater and over to tower, Jazz 1931.
Jazz 430, turn right heading 180 and speed 190.
180 at speed 190, Jazz 430.
Canada 605, cleared ILS approach, runway 24 left.
Cleared ILS 24 left for Canada 605. Alright, well, good morning. It's Foxtrot Tango Whiskey Romeo Whiskey level 5000.
Tango Whiskey Romeo, I check, throttle altimeter 3016.
3016, we're looking for 6,000 if able, when able.
Tango Whiskey Romeo, okay, climb maintain 6,000 feet VFR.
6,000 VFR, Tango Whiskey Romeo, thank you.
Jazz 430, reduce speed 170 knots.
Reduce speed 170 knots, Jazz 430. Reduce speed for Canada 605.
Canada 605, 170 knots or greater to Kyrix.
170 or greater to Kyrix for Canada 605.
Jazz 430, fly heading 210 to intercept, cleared ILS approach, runway 24 left.
Heading 210 for the intercept, clear the ILS 24 left.
Greater Julia Whiskey, turn left heading 330 and speed 190 knots.
330, 190 knots, 0 Julia Whiskey.
Hello, Toronto, Piedmont 8821 out at 12.4 for 11,000.
Piedmont 8821 arrival, hello, plan the ILS 24 left, delete the star restrictions, descend 8,000.
Delete the star restrictions down to 8,000, Piedmont 8821 for 24 left.
Joe Julia Whiskey, may see traffic at your 11 o'clock in a few miles, lowest C series, they're landing on the south side.
We've got them in sight, 0 Julia Whiskey, thank you.
Jazz 430, contact tower now 1835.
1835, Jazz 430, flow.
Great. And Tango Whiskey Romeo, if you're not already, you can proceed to the work area, and just for planning, are you able to work at a higher altitude today?
That's affirmative, we can accept anything up to 10,000.
Okay, Tango Whiskey Romeo, that's great. If you could climb maintain 9 or 1,000 feet VFR, that'd be perfect.
I maintain 9 or 1,000, Tango Whiskey Romeo.
Julia Whiskey, turn left heading 260 to intercept, descend 3,000, cleared ILS approach runway 23.
260, 3,000, intercept, cleared ILS 23, 0 Julia Whiskey.
Canada 60, contact tower now 1835.
1835, Canada 605.
Runway's in sight.
Toronto, Jazz 922, 13,100 for 11,000 with golf.
Jazz 922, arrival, hello, plan the ILS 24 left, delete the star restrictions, descend 8,000.
24 left, delete the star restrictions, descend 8,000, Jazz 922.
Joe Juliet Whiskey, you can slow further at your discretion, contact tower now 187.
Okay, 18.7, and we'll slow at our discretion. 0 Julia Whiskey, good day.
Okay. Piedmont 8821, descend.
Tower citation, November 300, Julia Whiskey's ILS 23.
November 300, Julia Whiskey, Toronto Tower, wind 150 at 6 knots. Clear to land runway 23. Where are you parking today?
Clear land 23, we're going to signature.
Thank you.
$21.9, all right. 3 green, no red, lights are on, flaps are approach. These are power back to wing slow. You like Papa? Oh, we're going to go to this one.
Jazz 430, Delta 4, cross runway 248, contact ground on 1219.
Delta 4, cross 248, 219, Jazz 430.
Papa or Foxtrot. A little bit slower. Speed will check. There's speed checks for full flaps. Go ahead and turn this back off. We'll turn our defog off. We'll get inside of top before I get full flaps. drag devices early, then I got a gas on it, so you're just kind of wasting fuel. So might as well. Little energy management. All right, speed checks. Here comes full flaps. They're moving. Eventually, we're going to get about 55% or so. This old racetrack, I don't know what that is. All right, Papa is past the other runway, past that.
Air Canada 605, Delta 4, cross runway 248, contact ground on 129.
Delta 4, cross 24 right, and then ground point 9, morning, Air Canada 605.
Morning.
Okay, kind of a direct crosswind to a tailwind, I don't know, who knows. Just a little more.
$500.
Checks.
Autopilot.
All right, autopilot yaw damps away. Papa's kind of short, but we're going to try. We're going to get rid of the flight director.
Minimums.
Continue.
Minimums.
Papa's this next one. Easily make that.
300 Juliet Whiskey, right Papa, contact ground on 12165.
2165, 0 Juliet Whiskey. Toronto ground, citation November 300 Juliet Whiskey off Papa, one going to signature.
Reselect ground 2165.
Oh, sorry, didn't hit the switch. Toronto ground, citation 300 Juliet Whiskies off on Papa, we're going to signature.
300 Juliet Whiskey ground, taxi Juliet to Kilo.
Juliet to Kilo, 0 Juliet Whiskey.